Cristiano Ronaldo net worth and biography. Cristiano Ronaldo has practically accomplished everything a player can dream of, including local leagues, European international leagues, European Cups, Champions Leagues, League Cups, etc. Except for the World Cup, he has won everything. Cristiano Ronaldo's net worth is understandable given his enormous success in sports. He is still one of the top 20 wealthiest players globally, even though he is 35 years old when most of his colleagues retire. For someone with so many accomplishments in sports, it's only natural for fans to ask how much Ronaldo's net worth is. Cristiano Ronaldo's net worth will reach $500 million by 2020. Let's look at his early life, career, highlights, and comments. Early life. Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro was born in São Pedro, Funchal, and grew up in Santo Antonio, Funchal, on the Portuguese island of Madeira. His mother, Maria Dolores dos Santos Viveiros do Aveiro, is a municipal gardener and part-time kitman, while his father, José Diniz Aveiro, is a part-time kitman. Ronaldo grew up in a Catholic and underprivileged household, sharing a room with all of his brothers. Cristiano's name was changed to Ronaldo to honor his father's favorite film star, Ronald Reagan, who was President of the United States when Cristiano arrived in the world. Ronaldo spent 2 years with Nacional after playing for amateur club Andorinha from 1992 to 1995, when his father was the kitman. In 1997, he participated in a 3-day trial with Sporting CP, who signed him for £1,500. Cristiano Ronaldo's net worth has undoubtedly increased as a result of this. At 14, Ronaldo realized he could play semi-professionally and agreed with his mother to drop out of school and concentrate only on football. While he was well known among his classmates, he was suspended after throwing a seat at his instructor, whom he said had disrespected him. Nonetheless, he was diagnosed with a beating heart after a year, a condition that may have forced him to retire from sports. Career. At 16, Ronaldo was promoted to the sports young team. The first team manager elevated him because he admired Ronaldo's dribbling abilities. During the 2002-03 season, his agency pitched him to several big European clubs, including Liverpool, Arsenal, and Barcelona, expressing interest in the young phenom. These clubs coveted Ronaldo, but they initially wanted to loan him out. Sir Alex Ferguson then stepped in and signed Ronaldo on a long-term contract. Sir Alex Ferguson was thrilled with Ronaldo's performance in a friendly against Manchester United, which United lost 3-1. Sir Alex agreed to pay Sporting £12.5 million at the end of the game. This was the most significant sum ever paid to a teenager at the time. A decade after leaving Sporting, Ronaldo was admitted into the club's Hall of Fame. Ronaldo's dribbling, lightning speed, and strength took the English Premier League by storm. He made history when he scored United's 1,000th goal in a 4-1 defeat to Middlesbrough. He scored 1 goal in a 4-0 triumph against Wigan Athletic to win the Football League Cup. In the 2006-07 season, Ronaldo enjoyed a breakthrough year, scoring over 20 goals for the first time in his career. His dribbling, mixed with his speed, allowed him to equally tear through defenses and goalkeepers. Even so, Ronaldo is always compared. Ronaldo joined Real Madrid for a then world record sum of €80 million in the 2009-10 season, signing a deal worth €11 million per year until 2015. Real Madrid also inserted a €1 billion buyout provision in his contract, demonstrating his importance to the club. Thanks to a slew of endorsement deals, Cristiano Ronaldo's net worth soared that year. Ronaldo's career evolved and took center stage during his tenure at Madrid, when he scored 451 goals in 438 games, averaging nearly 1 goal per game. In terms of titles and individual honors, Ronaldo is the most successful player ever to wear the white jersey of Real Madrid. In 2018, Ronaldo took a step forward in his already illustrious career by signing a €100 million deal with Juventus, which included a €12 million commitment to his junior clubs. Since joining Juventus, one of the world's top 10 wealthiest football teams, Ronaldo has demonstrated his worth by shattering record after record in the Italian Serie A. Tremendous supporters refer to him as the GOAT because of his many accomplishments. I've never attempted to disguise the fact that it is my ambition to become the greatest, Cristiano Ronaldo remarked in one of his most OK comments. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.